No degree? No problem. You can still make six figures without one, not to mention you won't have any dreaded student loan debt. So, whether you're a recent high school grad, someone looking to switch careers, or just curious, here are 15 jobs that can make you $100,000 without a degree. Kicking off the list is a job that's always in the spotlight: acting. Now, I'm not oblivious to the fact that breaking into Hollywood is tough, but for those who make it, the payoff can be absurd. 20+ million for a blockbuster film? Sign me up. But let's shift our focus a bit to a more realistic route: commercials. Ever thought about those charismatic folks you see in commercials? Now, you may not recognize them on the street, but commercial actors aren't just making a one-time paycheck. They're in it for the long haul. You see, commercial actors often get paid royalties since their likeness is being used. That means every time that commercial airs, they're cashing in. It's like getting paid over and over again for the same gig without any extra work. Sure, it might not be as glamorous as the big screen, but it's a steady stream of income. And there are big earners here too. Stephanie Courtney, better known as Progressive's Flo, makes around $1 million a year, while Kevin Miles,
It's Jake from State Farm,
makes an estimated $200,000 to $500,000 annually. Not all actors achieve this kind of success. There is the starving artist stereotype for a reason, but it is possible to pull in six figures acting. A little adjacent to Hollywood stardom is becoming a content creator. I know you've seen those YouTube stars and TikTok sensations. You're watching this on YouTube after all. Well, they're not just entertaining, they're making bank. YouTube personalities with over 1 million subscribers rake in an average of $60,000 per year. And that's on the low end, usually just from AdSense and not including sponsorships. I mean, top-tier creators can make upwards of 10 million annually. And the best part? You don't need a degree, just a phone and some Wi-Fi. Sure, there are content marketing courses that can help, but the key is your unique personality, content, and consistency. Mr. Beast dropped out of college his first semester and went all in on YouTube. Look how that worked out. So, fire up that camera, hit record. You might just go viral. Let's switch gears to the housing market. Real estate agents get to take home a percentage of each property transaction. That can add up quick if you're selling expensive property or mass quantities. And no, realtors aren't just there to make searching Zillow less daunting when you're house hunting. They also sell commercial properties, land, and can even help with rentals. Now, the income here varies depending on your skills, geographical location, hours worked, and sales made, but the top 10% of real estate agents pocket over $176,080 per year, way more than our six-figure mark. While you don't need a degree, you're not off the hook when it comes to studying. To get started, you'll have to take a real estate course and pass your state's licensing exam. Have a creative mind? Here's one for you: advertising and promotions management. These pros are the masterminds behind marketing campaigns, both online and off. The average salary in this field is a whopping $163,360 annually. To get started, learn digital marketing fundamentals. YouTube is a great resource. Land a marketing gig and start working your way up. It's all about your skills and experience in this dynamic industry. And a little networking doesn't hurt either. Now, if you've got the gift of gab and a knack for tech, being a technology sales manager might be your calling. These folks focus on attracting and retaining customers in the tech world, and they make an average of $161,920 per year. Not too shabby. What's refreshing is that there's no formal education required here. It's more about being a stellar salesperson and having the leadership skills to motivate your team. So, if you've got the charisma and drive, this could be your path to a six-figure salary. Switching gears yet again, let's talk about the brave souls who help keep our communities safe. First-line supervisors of police and detectives are essential in criminal investigations. If you're in the top 10% here, you could earn more than $159,000 per year. Starting as a police officer and working your way up the ranks is the route to this career. A college degree isn't mandatory, but you'll need to graduate from a police academy and gain experience on the force. Now, let's get into the analytic-driven world of data scientist managers. These professionals help businesses harness the power of data to make informed decisions. The average salary in this field is a hefty $145,454 per year. Surprisingly, you don't need a formal degree to get started. Many data scientists are self-taught, beginning with online courses and ebooks. Landing an entry-level position is your first move, where you'll gain valuable on-the-job training. Think of it like going to college but paid, and then you can start climbing the ranks. Software architects are the brains behind high-level concepts and designs for software applications. They make an average of $134,978 per year. While having a computer science degree helps, it's not mandatory, especially in this digital age where you can learn just about anything online. All you need is a strong grasp of programming to start as a software developer and begin working your way up. So, if you're tech-savvy and creative, this could be your ticket to a six-figure income. Calling all makeup enthusiasts, makeup artists, or MUAs as they abbreviate in the biz, work their magic on film and TV sets and earn an average of $134,750 per year. Sure, getting certified from a beauty school can help, but it's not essential. Many makeup artists are self-taught and make their mark by networking and showcasing their skills on social media. Double down and become an internet personality as well, anyone? Are you ready to soar to new heights? Commercial pilots transport passengers and cargo safely through the skies. With a median pay of $134,630 per year and free-flying perks, this job can be quite the adventure. You'll need a high school diploma and certification from a registered flight school to get started, since most airlines don't require a college degree. So if you've always dreamed of being a pilot, the sky's the limit. Software developers are the wizards behind the apps and programs we use daily. They earn an average of $130,180 per year. While there are degrees available, they're not mandatory. What's crucial here is your ability to write code, solve problems, and innovate. So, if you're a coding whiz, this field welcomes you with open arms. Let's talk about computer network architects. They design and build communication networks, troubleshoot issues, and make a median pay of $120,520 per year. While this field used to demand a degree, times are changing. Many employers now prefer professional network certifications and relevant work experience. So, if you've got a passion for tech, this could be your calling. Now, for the entrepreneurial spirits out there, business owners earn an average of $105,128 per year. What's unique here is that there's no formal education required, and there's no cap to what your salary could become. Starting out, it's all about research and learning from others in your industry, which could be anything you want based on your interests and where you have an idea, and grinding. Don't hesitate to ask questions and figure out what works. So, if you've got a game-changing idea or a huge passion, why not turn it into a thriving business? Operating nuclear power plants is no small feat, but it can be financially rewarding. Nuclear power reactor operators make an average of $104,260 per year. To get started, you typically need a vocational school certification. So while it's not a degree, it's still some added schooling, but the demand for skilled operators in this field continues to grow. Last but not least, we have salespeople. And no, I'm not talking about annoying telemarketers. Sales are necessary in every industry and business, so there's no shortage of work or earnings. Salespeople can make well over $100,000 annually without a degree. Deep knowledge of your product or service is crucial here, along with dedication, a passion for selling, and a little charisma. So, there you have it, 15 jobs that can earn you $100,000 a year or more without a degree. Whether you're a natural-born performer, tech enthusiast, or aspiring entrepreneur, there's a path to financial success that suits you. And with no degree required, what's holding you back? Get started today. Seize the opportunity, work hard, and watch your income soar. And make sure to subscribe while you're at it.